Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be part 1 of 3 videos of my extreme kitchen declutter and deep clean with me. I hope that I'll give you some great motivation to tackle your kitchen before the upcoming holidays. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and do these few dishes that I have here in the sink, declutter the counter, wipe it down so that I have a clean space to work with before I move on to the pantry. I wanted to take a moment and welcome those of you that are new. Hi, I'm Danielle. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you'll stick around by hitting that subscribe button and join my small but growing YouTube family. A little bit about me is I am married to my hard-working husband, Justin. We live in Wisconsin and have 2 beautiful children, a daughter named Peyton and a son, Bryson. Come say hi down in the comments. I would love to get to know you and also where you're from. I had to share these containers with you guys. We absolutely love them. We got a great deal on them at Costco. The brand is OXO, and you just push the little top like that for an airtight seal. I think ours came like in a pack of 12, and they're all different size and also stackable. This Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent is my absolute favorite. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite scent is. I really want to try the Snowdrop scent. I believe that's what it's called. I've heard so many great things about that. You don't just have to purchase from Grove Collaborative. You can also find these products at Target. Now I'm going to be moving on to my favorite part of cleaning my sink. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner in the lemon verbena scent. Not only does it smell amazing, but it makes my sink so shiny.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be.
Okay, so a little tip I wanted to share to make your sink sparkle even more is to spray a little bit of Windex or any type of window cleaner in your sink. It works so good. I buff it out with a paper towel, but you could use a microfiber cloth as well.
If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
Now I'm going to be moving on to wiping down my counters with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the apple cider scent. Now I know that this maybe isn't technically part of the kitchen, but I consider this little, I don't even know what you call it, breakfast bar / island as part of my kitchen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down.
Ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
Alright, so now I'm gonna dry the last 2 dishes on the counter and put away the towels before I move on to the much dreaded task of my pantry. I hate this pantry. It is so small, but you have to make do with what you have. Honestly, this pantry is a hot mess. I just kind of threw everything in and closed the door.
I can help you out. 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 Look, if you don't.
So these little LED push lights that I'm showing you, I purchased at the Dollar Tree. They're super inexpensive, obviously for one, but two, also really easy to install. You just take off the little paper on the back and stick it to wherever you like in your cabinet or pantry. You do need 3 AAA batteries to put inside them as they don't come with them. But to remove them, you just twist the little light off and the base, I guess you could say, it will stay in your pantry or cabinet. So you can just go ahead and change the batteries and then twist it back up and put it in place. You guys, we have so many water bottles and cups and wine glasses, coffee mugs, to-go coffee mugs, all kinds of stuff in this pantry. And I cannot even tell you the last time we've used some of them. So it's felt so good to be able to donate some of them, throw some in the trash, recycling, you name it. So the little bottles that you see here in the blue basket are just the vitamins that me and my family use every day. So I like to keep them in a spot that's easy for me to grab and go. I'm also going to be taking the flour, sugar, brown sugar, and putting them into nicer containers instead of keeping them in the bags that they come in. So in this video, you're not going to be seeing the final reveal of the pantry and fridge. I know, bummer. You are going to see sneak peeks, but if you don't want to miss the final reveal, make sure you're subscribed and you have the notification bell turned on. All that's going to do is notify you every time I upload a new video. So in this bottom shelf is where I keep all my Tupperware/glass containers. Let me know how I can organize this a little better. I did, however, get rid of a lot of things that we were not using. Also, if you have any tips for me about how to organize this tiny pantry, I would love to know. Please leave comments down below. And because this pantry is so small, it makes it super difficult to figure out where things can go and utilize the space that I have. This little dry erase board I purchased at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just using some command strips to attach it to the pantry door. I figured this would be a great idea for when I'm running low on things or need to stock up on things. I can go ahead and write them down, and then when I'm headed to the store, just take a picture of the list of the things that I need. Now it's time to move on to the fridge. This is a different day. As you can tell, I'm wearing a different outfit. The videos are going to be filmed over a course of different days because, let's be honest, I'm a mom and cannot film all of this in one day. So in the fridge, I'm going to start removing items shelf by shelf. Any food that's old, expired, etc., I'm going to be tossing. Now to clean the shelves, I'm going to be using either the Smartly Cleaner from Target, or I do have a bowl of hot soapy water as well. To dry it, I'm just going to be using a paper towel. So I guess I'm going to put a disclaimer in here and say, yep, that's alcohol, but don't worry, my kids don't touch them. Heck, me and my husband hardly ever touch them. Honestly, those two that I showed you, or even all of them, honestly, we haven't touched them since like summertime. So it's been a while. But when you like a treat, it's there. Now my fridge wasn't too bad, but I do want to throw out there the two things that I love using when cleaning my fridge is one, the I think it's Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, and a bowl of hot soapy water. I like to use the Blue Dawn dish soap.
Just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailors, it's just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night. On the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila. Anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
Now I'm going to be going through all the condiments on our door of our fridge. Now a lot of them were still good, but there were some that we like never use and were expired. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of those. And a tip that I wanted to share to prevent anything from leaking or spilling is to take the half sheets of paper towel and line your fridge, if you will, or like these little compartments that you see here on my fridge with paper towel. It makes for easy cleanup when there are messes.
I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
Okay guys, I know what you're thinking. What the heck? Didn't she just clean her kitchen? Yes, I did. But you have to keep in mind that this part of the video is after I filmed the pantry part. And let's be honest, does anyone's kitchen stay clean longer than 5 minutes? Because mine doesn't, especially when my entire family is home. But you're not gonna wanna miss part 3 because it's gonna be completely clean, and I'll be showing you like a little mini tour as well. So you see like a stocked fridge and a stocked pantry. Now I'm moving on to clean the top of the fridge/freezer. I'm just gonna climb my little butt up there and use the hot soapy water to clean the top. You'd be surprised at how dusty it gets, how quickly. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you clean the seal of the fridge as well. It does get pretty dirty. To wipe down the sides, front, and handles of the fridge, I'm going to be using the Lysol Lemon Scented Disinfecting Wipes. I'll admit, I do not do this as often as I should, especially the handles. Gross. Alright guys, we're getting towards the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button. It just lets me know that you enjoy these types of videos and want to see more. I'm going to be showing you a little sneak peek of the fridge, but keep in mind that I'll show a fully stocked fridge on the part 3 video. Until part 2 guys, have an amazing day. Bye!